Gallagher wrote this article in the autumn of 1974 in Law and Society. What he said in 1974 is perhaps even true today. My colleagues in the Supreme Court who are with us this morning will tell you, every day of our lives as judges we see how the legal process can be misused to subserve the interests of those who are resourced as against those who lack resources. That is, I think, the challenge that we have. We should be doing something as judges, as court administrators, as lawyers to not perpetuate a cycle where the privileged maintain their dominance. My friend and Harvard Law professor, Professor David Wilkins, recently has made an insightful observation that technology also disrupts established power structures, as seen in the music industry's transformation. While big players still exist, technology has reshaped the music industry, allowing for new entrants and services. Streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music have challenged the dominance of traditional record labels, democratizing access to music and enabling independent artists to reach global audiences. Tribal music in India has now found a global voice and global platform. Similarly, in the legal domain, the adoption of AI might accentuate inequality by favoring those with access to advanced technology. But it also opens the door for new players and services, disrupting existing hierarchies. That is one of the reasons why in the e-courts project we are increasingly turning to open APIs so that we expose our data to startups, to new ventures who want to use that data for providing efficiency in the legal system. The adoption of the hybrid mode hearings by the Supreme Court of India represents a significant shift in the country's judicial landscape, with far-reaching implications for access to justice in the legal profession. By embracing hybrid mode hearings, which allow virtual participation, the Supreme Court has removed geographical barriers of access to justice. Lawyers from any corner of the country can represent their clients before the highest court without the need for expensive and time-consuming travel to the capital. This has democratized the access to the Supreme Court of India. Above all, it has given an insight into what the Supreme Court does in its work to citizens across the nation. As we navigate the integration of AI into the legal domain, it is imperative that we remain vigilant in addressing the systemic challenges and ensuring that AI technologies serve to enhance rather than undermine the pursuit of justice for all. By embracing collaboration and fostering international cooperation, we establish a framework that promotes the responsible and ethical use of AI technologies across borders. This paves the way for a future where technology empowers and uplifts every member of society, fostering inclusivity, innovation, and progress. Together, we shape a world where the promise of AI is realized for the betterment of humanity. The advancement of technology and AI is inevitable. It holds the potential to significantly change professions and make service delivery more accessible to people. In the field of law, this translates to the potential for AI to expedite and streamline justice delivery. The era of maintaining the status quo is behind us. It is time to embrace evolution within our profession and explore how we can harness the processing power of technology to its fullest